Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Psi blockchain. This coin here is in collaboration. It was just announced 9 hours ago on Mexc Global's Twitter that there's going to be a collab with Mexc Global and Psi. So we're going to go over the Psi network here in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this coin or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this coin here. Psi, S-E-I, I may be pronouncing that wrong, but, you know, whatevs. I'm doing my best. They have a collaboration here. 9 hours ago, it was announced on Mexc Global's Twitter that you could find at Mexc_global. It says Mexc launches a $20 million dedicated fund to support the development of key projects on the Psi network. And you can find their Twitter at SEI Network. Check out the investment manager and of Mexc Ventures, what he said about this initiative. And there's a blog article that you can find on Mexc Global's Twitter about their collaboration here. So if you don't have an Mexc Global account, Mexc Global is a great exchange, super low fees, tons of new coins and tokens listed on there like every day. I do videos on the new coins all the time. So definitely check out that Mexc Global referral code. That's where you can find amazing projects just like this one on Mexc Global. And they have events and contests and stuff like that all the time. So, so Psi Network is the first Layer 1 blockchain designed for trading, which is between the general Layer 1 public chain and the specific Layer 1 public chain, providing a customized application environment for decentralized exchange. Designed from bottom up to scale with the needs of decentralized exchanges, Psi has made several optimizations to Layer 1 to give exchanges an unfair advantage. Native order matching engine drives scalability of order book dexes built on Psi. Front-running protection combats malicious front-running that is rampant in other ecosystems. Intelligent block propagation improves latency and throughput. Sub-second settlement. Psi is the fastest chain to finality at 600 microseconds. MS. Is that micro or milliseconds? Anyways, it's MS. The combination of these optimizations makes it possible for new types of financial products to emerge, everything ranging from the live sports betting complex options and futures. With the above changes, Psi will tackle the problem of front-running transactions, allowing users to avoid unnecessary losses. The development team behind Psi is Psi Labs, and its core advantages include developers from Robinhood, Databricks, Airbnb, etc. with extensive expertise in order book design infrastructure and the Cosmos stack. Cosmos OGs who have navigated the ecosystem for years, and finance of strategy members from Goldman Sachs and other market makers who bridge the gaps between DeFi and institutions. In August of this year, Psi raised $5 million USD from investors including Multicoin Capital, Coinbase Ventures, Delphi Digital, Hudson River Trading, GSR, Hypersphere, Flow Traders, and more. The new capital will be used to support the network as it approaches mainnet launch and further accelerates the growth of over 20 dApps already building on the Psi ecosystem. The person in charge of Psi said that through close cooperation with Mexc Global, the world's first cryptocurrency trading platform, Psy will gain a strong advantage in terms of resources and help its ecosystem achieve sound and sustainable construction and development. Founded in April 2018, Mexc Global is a cryptocurrency trading platform ranked top 10 globally and top 3 in Asia with more than 7 million users. Currently, it supports spot trading of more than 1,500 types of currencies, futures trading of more than 120 types of crypto, and ETF trading of more than 300 types of crypto. The projects listed covered all sectors such as public chain, cross-chain, L2, DeFi, NFT, GameFi, and DAO, and Mexc Global is called by users the first stop for high-quality project launch. It is a trading platform with the most tradable crypto assets and the fastest launch speed for high-quality projects on the internet. So you can read more about Mexc Global and all the features if you want on Mexc Global's Twitter and webpage. But this video is more about Psy here. So it says, we believe Psy's custom layer 1 solution will be a game changer in the industry. So it sounds like, they're not only collaborating with them, but they're probably going to be, having listings and whatnot in the future here for Psy and maybe some other Psy projects and things like that on Mexc Global. So definitely check out that Mexc Global referral code if you are interested in the Psy network here. So you can find their Twitter, like I said, at Psy Network. They have 130,100 Twitter followers already, and they just joined in April 2022. So they're doing amazing. Very active on Twitter as well. 1,015 tweets. The first sector specific layer 1 giving exchanges an unfair advantage. So you can join their Discord. They have a link tree listed on their Twitter that has their website, Discord, Telegram, Reddit, Medium articles, blog, Gitbook, GitHub. Their webpage is psynetwork.io. Over there you can find documents, job sections, launching the app. You could start building. So it says, 600 MS transaction finality, 22,000 orders per second, 4.5 million plus total testnet transactions, and over 250,000 testnet users. Decentralized NASDAQ, specialized for exchanges, unparalleled speed and security first. Trusted by world-class operators, investors, and institutions like STEPN, Coinbase, Multi-Coin Capital, GSR, etc., Frax. 100 plus apps launching on Psy, and they have different quotes from people who are using it. A new DeFi design space, highly secure, massively scalable, specialized for exchanges, the fastest chain, new financial products, and purpose-built. Who's building on Psy? Well, we got Nitro, UXD, Vortex, Satori, Axelar, and comparing it to other blockchains. They have a whole chart here that compares it to Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and you can check all this out at their webpage, psynetwork.io. Make sure you check out that Mexc referral code down there. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is, and leave a comment. What do you guys think about Psy, the Psy network and blockchain down there in the comment section? Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.